Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to download and install 7-Zip software. So let's get started. For this, you require a web browser. I'll make use of Google Chrome. In the address bar, you need to type 7-Zip, download and press enter. You'll get the first link, that is www.7zip.org. I'll click on the first. Once you click on this first link, you'll see on this page download option. So once you click on the download link, that is for 64-bit Windows. Okay, over here you can see download is in progress. So it has downloaded the setup file. Now click on open. You'll get a pop-up, select yes. I'll close the web browser as we don't need it. Okay, over here click on install. So this will install 7-Zip setup. Okay, yeah, it has got installed. Now click on close. So 7-Zip has got installed on your laptop. Now to access it, you can click on Windows. Over here type 7-Zip. You'll get the 7-Zip file manager. Click on open. Okay, over here you can access the drives or the location where your file has been kept. Okay, for example, I'll access the. Okay, so these are the files and folders. If you want to zip, you can click select and click on add. Okay, once you click on add, it is going to zip your file, or you can compress it. To decompress it, you can need to click on extract. Okay, I'll close this window. There's another way you can do it, that is, suppose this is a notes, that is a text file. Okay, now if I want to compress it, I'll do a right click, show more options. Okay, 7-Zip. Over here you get two options. You can create as a .7-Zip file extension compression, or you can create a zip file. So I'll choose this notes.zip. Okay, it has created a zip file. Double click to open. You can see a sample notepad file is there. I'll close this. Now you can also check the file format. Click on properties. Okay, see, it is compressed folder of file format.zip. Now if you have received a zip file and you have 7-Zip installed on your Windows, now how to decompress it? Select the file, right click, show more options, 7-Zip, extract to notes. Okay, so it has created a notes folder. Open it, you can see the file. Okay, so that's all for today. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.